Hello everyone, Sophia here. In this video we'll be looking at f-strings in Python. So before we start, what are f-strings? F-strings in Python are an easy way to add expressions or to format numbers in strings. This was first introduced in Python 3.6 release, and it has made string formatting much more easy, readable, and much more comfortable for devs to use. Now let's see some code syntax. So before I show you the code syntax or the basic syntax of an f-string, I need to tell you a little thing about f-strings. So f-strings are prefixed by f before the string, and within the string you can add your data type or you can add your expression within that string. So let's see a good example of this. So let's say you have two variables, name and country, and you want to display this using an f string. So let's see how that goes. Let's say you want to display that as a greeting. You can do greetings f string. So remember I said it's prefixed by f, and within the string you can add your expression or you can add your variable. So you can say I am name, and I'm from country. Now if you print this greeting, you should be able to see I am Sophia and I'm from Nigeria. Voila. Now this is the basic way or the basic syntax of using f-string in Python. Right, next, so let's see how to add expressions in f-strings. So let's say you want to do a basic math expression. You have a variable that has 10, you have another variable that has 24, and you want to print this. You can see, and you want to print this and also like sum it up within your f string. So you can do the prefix, and you see the sum of a and g is a plus g. Now when you print this, you should be you should be able to see the sum of 10 plus 24 is 34. This is it. So this is how you can add an expression in your f string in Python. Next up, let's see how we can format numbers within an f string. Let's say we have we have a variable called value, and it's in a decimal number. Let's say 500.2370018, and we want to print this in 2 decimal place. So we can do the f, the value in 2 decimal place is value to f, print formatted, and this and it sums it up within the string. Next up, let's see how we can use f string in a multiple line, or let's see how f string can be spanned in a multiple line. So let's say we have name of a vehicle, Mercedes. I genuinely feel I love the car Mercedes. the year 2009, and we want to use an f string to span in multiple lines. So we can do this by, let's use results again, f, then we have the 3 quotes. We can go down here and say and we can print this. And when we print this should show name Mercedes, year the car was made, to 2009, and see it. And it's also added an extra spacing up and down. Let's see if this goes out if we remove this spacing up and down. Let's run it again, and nope, it did not. So this is how you can use f string in use f string to format a number. That's how you can use it in multiple lines. That's how you can use it as a basic syntax. And although you may not use f string as often as you use your normal string, but knowing what f string is and knowing how this works in Python is a great way for you to understand how strings in general work, and you are just a step closer to being that amazing Python developer you'll always know. So in the next video, we'll be looking at functions and methods in Python. Thank you. Bye.